Psalm 119 verses 2 to 10. You bless all of those who follow your commands from deep in their hearts and who never do wrong or turn from you. You have ordered us always to obey your teachings. I don't ever want to stray from your laws. Thinking of all your commands, keep me from doing foolish things. I will do right and praise you by learning to respect your laws. I will obey all of them. Don't turn your back on me. Young people can live clean life by obeying their words. I worship you with all my heart. Don't let me walk away from your commands. And last but not the least, John 15:16. You did not choose me, but I chose you and appointed you to go and bear fruit. Fruit that will last, that the Father will give you whatever you ask in my name.